Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for June 17 to 23, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Ayan. So let's see, Libra, what's up with you ngayong week na ito, June 17 to 23 for Libra. Second house, resources, no? So, ngayong week na to, maaring merong focus sa inyong finance, no? Sa inyong kaperahan, sa inyong mga properties, ari-arian, sa inyong values, sa inyong sources of income. Okay? Let's see what else. You have the North Node, which is about your future. So, I think ngayong week na to, may mga pag-iipunan kayo for your future, or mas paplanuhin nyo na yung mga gusto nyong ma-achieve, yung mga gusto nyong gawin for the future. So, I feel like this is something serious for you this week, na gusto mo ay merong kahihinatnan yung iyong pinaghirapan sa future. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, papasok kayo sa isang investments, ganyan na will give assurance sa iyong future. You also have retrograde, so reviewing. Maaring meron ka mga i-reassess na situation ngayong week na to, kung ano yung dapat mong i-let go at kung ano yung dapat mong ipagpatuloy, no? Kasi meron tayong mga ginagawa minsan na, or mga projects, ganyan, or anything na sinubukan natin, tapos doon natin nakikita kung magwo-work ba yun o hindi. Let's say you have plans to have a business and you'll see kung ano yung magiging resulta nun. Parang experimentation yung iba sa inyo. Pwede rin maitatry ka na another source of income kasi yan rin yung focus mo this week. And you will reassess kung ito ba ay worth it para sa'yo. Okay? At kung worth it siya, ipagpapatuloy mo. Kung hindi worth it, I think some of you will let go of that, no? Ilo-let go nyo na. Let's see your overall energy for this week. Overall energy. You have the Temperance card. Ayan. So, this is healing. You are healing from your past. Pwedeng meron kang hinihil na financial issues or financial problems. Yung iba naman sa inyo, mas magiging maingat rin kayo sa mga decision making ninyo ngayong week na ito. And this is also your patience, no? Yung pagiging mahinahon na naghihintay, o maaring meron kang hinihintay ngayon na resulta ng mga inaplayan mo, or resulta ng mga trinabaho mo. Okay? Let's say your possible challenge. Your challenge is the Knight of Wands. So, maaring meron kang susubukang madaliin ngayong week na to. But, challenge siya sa'yo kasi pwedeng may cause of delay. Laging isipin na kapag ang isang bagay ay na-delay or hindi pa nangyayari, it's like a protection para sa'yo, no? You are being protected. Like, for example, na-delay yung flight mo. So, isipin mo na lang na protection yun sa'yo ng universe, kaya na-delay yung flight. Oo, you are being protected from harm. Kaya nga, mas maganda rito na you are more patient. So, I think this week, yun yung i-develop mo sa iyong sarili. To be more patient, na hindi kailangan madaliin ang mga bagay-bagay. Kailangan kalmado ka lang. Chill ka lang. Let's see your opportunity. Your opportunity is the 7 of Cups. So, maaring meron ka na finally na mapipili sa mga pinagpipilian mo. This can be anything, no? Pwedeng work, trabaho, career, business, or even relationships, kung sino yung napupusuan mo. Finally, makakapili ka na, lalo na kung naguguluhan ka. Oo, let's say may mga plans ka or may mga kinukonsider kang decisions ngayong week na to. So, finally, makakapili ka na what's best for you. Okay, so let's see your blessing. The blessing is the 6 of Swords. So, this is moving on, moving to a calmer waters. No? So, kung ikaw ay nagkaroon ng conflict challenge with someone, pwedeng ikaw ay, it's either aayusin nyo or iiwas ka na lang dun sa gulo or sa problema na yan. Kumbaga gusto mo ngayon ng peace of mind, no? So, some of you naman, you are being blessed with courage to move on, to move forward. galing sa mga conflicts or challenges na inyong pinanggalingan. So, let us clarify. Okay, what is the Temperance card? You have the Page of Pentacles. So, kung ikaw ay may bagong trabaho, career, business na sinisimulan ngayon, hindi mo ito minamadali, no? Kumbaga, you are learning kasi page is about learning as student, no? So, maaring ngayon, pinag-aaralan mo muna ang gagawin mong actions, no? Bago mo talaga simulan. You have the Six of Wands as your challenge. So, maari kasing meron kami na madali na makuha na resulta, no? So, kailangan, hayaan mo muna na magdaan siya sa proseso. Yung natural process niya, para, kumbaga, hindi siya hinog sa pilit, no? Kasi mapakla yun o kaya, mapait, 'di ba? Kapag hinog sa pilit. Hindi siya ganun kalasa. Okay, you have the Devil as your opportunity. I think ngayon you are taking back your power, no? Maari kasing merong mga offer sa'yo or opportunity sa paligid mo na akala mo best for you pero hindi pala. So, finally, you will be able to choose what's best for you, and I think you will let go also yung mga unnecessary, no? Or yung tipong nakakagulo lang sa mga pipiliin mo this week. What is the Six of Swords? The Three of Cups, which is about celebration. So, some of you, meron kayong big celebration this week. Can be an event with a family member or friends. You will be connecting more with a lot of people, no? Na alam mong makakatulong sa sa mga gagawin mo moving forward. Can be sa project mo, sa personal improvement mo. You will be surrounded with people na like-minded, no? Like-minded people na pareho kayo ng interest, sa mga gusto sa buhay. Meron ditong appreciation. So, pwedeng meron magpapadala sa inyo ng roses or kayo ang magpapadala ng roses. Or someone that will appreciate you. Let's say sa workplace, appreciate ka ng co-workers mo, boss mo, or even your romantic partner. You also have protection. Ayan, standing up for. So, I think, meron kang paninindigan na decision mo this week na hindi ka magiging marupok. Okay, you also have, yes, pride, recognition. Yeah, I feel like, you will be recognized by your community or kung saan ka man nabibilang ngayon, no? Kung ano man yung iyong areas of life. But I feel like whatever you are doing right now, nakakakuha ka ng attention, no? And you will be recognized by a lot of people. So, let's see, money, career, finances, energies, mainstream. So, you are being seen. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring nasa social media kayo, meron kayong certain following, marami kayong followers, or you are in the public eye, ayan. Or, maaring may plano kayo of being a social media influencer or a content creator. Someone is going to help you sa mga plans mo for your career, for your business. And of course, don't forget to bring balance in your life, no? Importante rin na hindi lang puro trabaho. Meron ka ring time para sa sarili mo, para sa mga mahal mo sa buhay, para hindi magkaroon ng problema in the future, diba? More time with them. So, some of you, if you're single, you are manifesting a romantic partner. Oh my God! Yung iba naman sa inyo, kung kayo ay in a relationship, pwedeng malapit na kayong ma-engage, no? Ng person mo. Or you are getting into a higher level of commitment. You also have memories. So, some of you, pwedeng matagal na kayo sa relationship. Or merong nakakamiss sa'yo, namimiss ka. Baka, anyone, no? Can be anyone, person from the past, or pwede rin namang someone na hindi mo nakakasama sa ngayon, kasi pwedeng long distance yung relationship mo ng person mo. So, I feel like, if itong relationship ninyo is talagang going strong, pwede itong mauwi sa kasalan, engagement, ganyan, or a higher level of commitment. Okay? But if you are single, I feel like you are going to manifest the person na seryoso or magiging seryoso sa'yo sa relationship. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. Bye!